What you cooking, Roach?
What ya cooking, Roach?
What's up, guys, and welcome to my channel, What You Cooking, Roach. All right, and for those that are new to my channel, welcome. I appreciate the love, so please consider subscribing and leave a comment, you guys, and tell me what you think. And word up to me, give me that thumbs up and click that reminder bell so you don't miss out on any of my other videos. All right, now this video is a little special here. Not only I'm cooking this bomb crawfish and shrimp, my husband decided he wanted to talk about what the menu was going to be for his birthday party. So he interrupted me a lot in this video. So enjoy the ride with me, y'all. So come on, let's get started.
Yeah. Script. Got the script. Oh,
It's about to go. It's about to go down.
we got our script. There we go.
Boil them in that little, boil them in that boiled in that boiled in this thing. Oh, I'm so excited to eat that.
Just want to get that. Just want to take that. Just want to go. Ooh, you know you want to bite it. Alright, here we go. Go. Yeah, them get ready to get this is some egg batter with a little bit of water. And then, you know, I showed y'all we got them panko breadcrumbs. And we got that shrimp. Got that shrimp. You all got that shrimp. I ain't put nothing on it. I think about putting something on it, but I got the obey in here. Alright? So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna put the shrimp in the obey and just let it just marinate up in there. Yeah, I probably should add a bigger bowl. And we're gonna let that marinate just for a little bit. I'm gonna put it in there. We're gonna let it marinate. Y'all see that there? You see that there? You see that there? Oh, gotta get a little close up on that there. Oh, yeah. Do you, baby? You do you. You sit there, you gonna cook, baby boy. Now, we're gonna have to get over here because we got that boiling. These are still doing this thing, huh? We're gonna work that out and get to them real quick, and we're gonna dip them in that right down. We're gonna let them marinate down. Boop. I think I probably could have put these mugs in the bag. They ain't painful enough for me. Breadcrumbs on this one. We're gonna add a couple of them at a time. Let's see what we can do here. later. I can't hear him. I think there'll be shrimps in there. Hold on, I can't. Let me put this in here. I'm doing these shrimps real quick. Just, you know, the regular old stuff, you know, steak and the big ass, which you're not gonna make ribs, but they had buy one get two free. And then I looked at them, they was like $23, $29 or whatever. Baby back when they had brats and all that on sale. Hamburger stuff on sale. Ooh, they almost burnt. Burnt it. And I did see that they had the pork shoulder and stuff that's on sale. I think $1.99 is on sale. Oh, that's what I'm saying.
Y'all think about it on the little kids, you know what I'm saying? And not only that, you all this grown motherfucker who ain't got nobody to talk to because he's young grown.
But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tell my dad, because you know last time when I, because he was like, that's too late.
Last time you came by early.
Yeah, and I didn't tell him that he could. So this time I'm telling him he can. Yeah, you know, because I didn't say. You know, I told him.
Okay, well, why would you even want to come? You know what I'm saying? When I was 2 years old, my mom said, we're going to such and such house now. Why would you even want to come?
I don't know how to explain it, but
why would you say, nah, I'm cool? You know what I'm saying?
yeah.
All of them.
All right, y'all. There you have it. That crawfish and shrimp. And yeah, my husband was eating the shrimps while I was making the show. And my sister did bring her kids and a whole random other kid to the party. So, but it's all good. My husband and I have been together for 35 years, and it's always been like this. So, you guys, so we already know what's gonna happen when we have a party. All right. So, thanks for watching, you guys, and please consider subscribing, you guys. And thanks for watching What You Cooking Roach. All right. Bye bye.